Hello class 8. This is a continuation of your chapter number 10, that is present tense. In the last video we have seen the usage of simple present and present continuous tense. In this video we will see present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Now see here, the present perfect is used to express an action completed in the past but linked with the present, means something that you have already done in the past but it has some link with the present. You can see the example, the traffic police have declared a heavy penalty for those who violate traffic rules, means it has already been declared in the past that whoever will break the law or whoever will break the traffic rules, that person is going to be punished. Then see, to express an action that begins in the past and is continuing in the present, like she has lived in this house for 10 years, means she has started living 10 years before and is still continuing. Okay. Then to express an action that has just been completed, she has just finished her project, means just like when we are talking about it, exactly at that moment it has been completed. Then to express past event for which the exact time is not given, we have fulfilled our responsibility. So this is a past event for which the exact time is not given, but it has been done in the past. Then to refer to news, the president has pardoned some convicted criminals. So for some news also present perfect tense is used. Alright, then words like yet, already, just can be used to express action in the present perfect tense. Like yet is used in negative sentences and questions. She has not returned yet. Has the flight landed yet? So these words can be used. Then already is used to express an action that happened earlier, that was expected. Like she has already completed her assignment. So this action has already happened earlier. Okay. Then just is used to indicate a very short time ago. I just spoke to grandma before you called me, means I for a very short period of time before you called, I called my grandma. Okay, now what are the forms of present perfect tense? You know, for present perfect we use have and has. So with I we use have, with we use have, with you we use have, and like all these things. All right. And in question form you use have I, have we, have you, have they. And for questions then has he, has she, has it. Alright, so these are the forms. See the fill in the blanks, this exercise F. Filling the blanks with verbs in the present perfect tense. So if the subject is singular, use has. Okay, if it's plural or I, then use have. And you have to use the past participle form of the verb. See the first one, Aditi has joined. Why with Aditi we have used has joined? Because Aditi is a singular subject and the past participle form of join is joined. Alright, so Aditi has joined maths coaching classes. Then second, I have read the novel which father bought last week. Again the same thing is applied here. Then third, mother has cooked delicious food for lunch. Fourth, the teacher has distributed the question paper. Alright. Now what you have to do in this exercise G, you have to use just, yet or already. See the first one, she has already polished her shoes for tomorrow morning, means she has already done that work. Her work is done. Then second, we have just finished our dinner and can't eat fruits now, means just now, like you have brought the fruits, before that I've just finished my dinner, so now I'm full, I can't have anything else. Then third, Sneha has already called up her aunt and wished her on her birthday, means the work has already been done. Then fourth, the children are playing, they have already go to bed. Alright, this finishes our present perfect tense. Now the last form that we have to do is present perfect continuous tense. So see, when it is used, if it is used to emphasize the continuity of an action that began in the past and it's still going on at the time of speaking. Like, what can I say? That since 1 hour, I've been teaching. So since like for since 1 hour I've been speaking. So for that, my action is in continuity and it is still going on at the time of speaking. You see the example, she has been driving this car for years, means for this work she has continued and now still she is driving. Then they have been living in this apartment for a longer period of time. So in this particular apartment they have been living for a longer period of time. Then to express an action that finished a short while ago, they have been playing cricket since morning. So it has finished just a while before. It's not like it has finished for a longer period of time. Just for a short while ago it has been finished. Then what is the form of present continuous tense? Again you have to use I have, we have, and then or has with singular, and then you have to use been here, means it becomes have or has plus been plus verb ing form. This is the form which is used in present perfect continuous. All right, see this exercise H. First one, you have to fill in the blanks with present perfect continuous tense of the verb. First word is wait. See the subject we, it is plural, so we will use have been plus wait ing form is waiting. So the answer becomes we have been waiting for the train for over an hour. Then second, they have been reciting a poem for 15 minutes and are about to finish. Third, I have been watching TV for an hour. Fourth, she has not been swimming because of skin allergy. Okay. Then fifth, have they been playing in the sun for long? Then sixth, has she been shouting at her sister for nothing? I hope you can understand, if the subject is singular we are using has, and if the subject is plural we are using have, and then plus been plus ing form of the verb. All right. Then seventh, you have not been eating fruits for a week and it is not good. Then eighth, has she not been sleeping for too long? Okay. See class 8, pause it for some time, write it properly, don't make any mistake, and try to understand how to do these. Okay. Now in the last class also, when we were studying this chapter, we have seen the use of for and since. For is used to indicate a time for which an action has been going on, and it is for limited period of time. It shows a time which has started, it has ended, like for 2 hours, for 5 hours, for ages. So all these things is for use with for. And since is used to indicate a point of time which has action started, like you have started that and it is still going on. Like since childhood I am studying. So that you people can say this because that action you have started in the childhood and it is still going on. All right. Now you have to fill in the blanks with for or since. We have not slept since yesterday. Okay, it's not showing any particular period of time. It's showing that since yesterday you have not slept, and that is still going on, that you haven't slept and you have to sleep. Then second, the baby has been sleeping for 3 hours. It is limited period of time. So for 3 hours, that baby has been sleeping. Then third, we will be at the orphanage for 2 hours. It is again a limited period of time. You know that it will start and it will end. So for is used here. Then fourth, Shimla is covered with a blanket of snow because it has been snowing since last night. Means it has started snowing last night. It is still continuing. Alright. Now this table again is important. You have to remember that form: present, affirmative, negative, interrogative, and for all the four you have to remember all the affirmative, negative and interrogative form. Remember these things. We have already done, just go through it again. Alright. Now we will see the difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous. What is the difference? The present continuous tense is used to express an action that is going on at the time of speaking, like I am reading. And the present perfect continuous tense lays emphasis on the period of time for which an action has been going on. Like, see, his eyes are turning red. He has been reading for 2 hours. So what happened that in present continuous tense, it expresses an action that is going on when you are speaking about it. And this present perfect continuous tense, it lays emphasis on the period of time for the period of time, for that period of time that action is going on. All right. Now see this exercise J. What you have to do, the underlined words, verbs, you have to guess what form of tense is that. Like, see the first one, the underlined word is she has been traveling a lot these days. So I told you has plus been plus verb ing form is for present perfect continuous. So the first one is present perfect continuous. Second, we have known each other for many years. See, have is there and the past participle form of know is there. So it is present perfect tense. See the third one, Deepa Mehta is directing a new movie. Is directing, it is present continuous tense. Then fourth, my father loves butter. It is simple present tense. Fifth, Stephen Hawking has won great acclaim for the fraternity of scientists. It is present perfect. Sixth, the children have been playing since they returned from school. It is present perfect continuous. Seventh, the police have been guarding the school house since the owner approached them for protection. Have been guiding, again it is present perfect continuous. Then 8, Vinita has woken up and I spoke to her on the phone. Has woken, it is present perfect tense. Alright. Now see the last page. This is, we'll do it very quickly. See exercise K. Read the following passage and filling the blanks with appropriate form of verb given in the bracket. The passage gives details of Sachin Tendulkar's favorite. You may use verbs in different forms of present tense. So Sachin Tendulkar loves seafood, especially which his mother cooks. His favorite drink is water. He enjoys playing cricket and listening to music, especially songs of Dire Straits, Stings, Kishore Kumar and Lata Mangeshkar, among others. In his spare time, he attends to his family and uses his personal stereo. So you can see here that in this we have used the simple present tense. Okay. Then his favorite cricket grounds are Sydney Cricket Ground and Wankhede Stadium. He admires other cricketers like Wasim Akram, Sunil Gavaskar, Shane Warne, Brian Lara, Jonty Rhodes and Sanat Jayasuriya. Alright. Now see this exercise L. You have to read the following line and filling the blanks with verb form according to the tenses mentioned in the brackets. Alright. See the first one, you have to change it into present perfect. The battle, it is singular. So the battle has started. Alright. Then second, you have to change it into present continuous tense. The regiment is performing outpost duty. Then third, simple present, it is a mile away from the main army. Fourth, the enemy, you have to change it into present perfect, has surrounded it from all sides. Fifth, the captain, you have to change it into present perfect continuous, has been leading the regiment forward all along. Sixth, they are planning to crush their enemy soon. We have to change it into present continuous. Again in exercise M, you have to do the same thing. First one is done for you. Second, C, she has received an award for her act of bravery because it has to be changed into present perfect tense. Then third, the farmer has been plowing the field again and again as he has to sow seed now. Present perfect continuous. Then fourth, again present perfect continuous. Scientists have been conducting research for years to find a cure for cancer. Fifth, Sneha loves to go out on every weekend. You have to change it into simple present tense. Now see exercise N, the last one. See the first one, the girls have eaten their food. You have to change it into negative. It's very easy. The girls have not eaten their food. Second, the little boy has gone to bed. You have to change it into negative. The little boy has not gone to bed. Third, they have been studying since morning. You have to change it into interrogative. What will be the answer? Have they been studying since morning? Alright. Then fourth, she has eaten the pizza. You have to change it into interrogative. Has she eaten the pizza? Then fifth, the watchman has killed the snake. Change it into interrogative. Has the watchman killed the snake? Sixth, he has composed a song. You have to change it into interrogative. Has he composed a song? Seventh, she has been knitting since morning. Change it into interrogative. Has she been knitting since morning? Eighth, these boys like to play rugby. You have to change it into interrogative. Do these boys like to play rugby? Alright. So this finishes our this chapter number 10, that is present tense. In the next video we will start with past tense. Please class 7th, this chapter 8th, this chapter is very important, very important. Read all the exercises, just clear your concept everywhere, all right, and finish every exercise in your books or in your copies. Bye and take care.